makeup doesn't define your value.
Snip.
As a human. Good Lord. That's going right in your sink, Sydney.
It's okay.
I don't even know how to intro video. This is what we're doing today. I have been wanting to do this for a long time, and I don't really know why I haven't, other than the fact that these are so, hold on. Other than the fact that I was always like scared of what others would say, but I finally got to that point where, you know, 2020 is just the year where we don't care anymore, so that was the perfect time to shave my head. And that's cute. Anyways, I wanted to do this for a long time. I was scared of what people thought. I don't even know how to section my hair. You know what, we're just gonna do this one next. So I figured we might as well go ahead and take care of this. But another big reason that I want to do this is because I believe from young women at such a young age, society starts telling them lies about how they have to have their hair a certain way, they have to dress a certain way. I'm telling you, I am 10 out of 10 right now. I'm looking...
This is perfect. Don't have to do anything
Don't
else.
change a thing.
This is the new hairstyle. This is it.
But society is telling them they have to wear their hair a certain way, they have to do their makeup a certain way, and dress a certain way to be pretty enough to get attention. And women start believing those lies, and they're not doing it for themselves, they're doing it to be viewed? That's not a word. To be viewed as pretty from society. And so I guess this is just my way of saying, like, that doesn't define your value as a human. So how you do your makeup, oh my gosh, my hair is so thick. This is gonna take a minute. I was thinking I could easily just be like, how you do your makeup doesn't define your value.
Snip. As
a human. Good Lord. That's a lot of hair. The kind of clothes you wear does not define your value as a human. And last but not least, give me a second. This is gonna take a minute. I didn't realize you were cutting already. Yep.
Just went right in.
And how you do your hair also does not define your value as a human. So we have this so far. This is our progress so far. I'm looking real cute right now.
Okay, Britney Spears.
Honestly, that's another thing. So whenever I see videos of women shaving their head, I just think that is so empowering, but then I just see so many comments of like, is she having like a mental breakdown? And I'm like, listen, I understand that Britney Spears did this back in 2007, but that does not, she doesn't define all of womanhood.
The entire gender that is female.
Exactly. And so sometimes women just want to shave their head because they want to. Honestly, like, I already have half my head shaved, so like, why not go ahead and do the rest, you know? Here's the thing, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I guess we're gonna find out, and if I cut myself, then I'm not doing it right. So, I don't know where to even start. I guess right here. That's going right in your sink, Sydney.
It's okay.
So just, this is one of those things where, you know, if you feel like shaving your head, then shave your head. But I had just been told by so many people over the course of my life, whenever I did have long hair and I wanted to cut it, everyone was trying to talk me out of it. And then finally I did it, and It was one of the best decisions of my life. And I just think that society needs to stop telling women that you have to have long hair, you have to be wearing makeup to be pretty, because that's not true. If you like wearing makeup and if you like having long hair, then be doing it for yourself, not for anyone else. I'm missing something. And also, for anyone who's coming at me saying like, wow, she did such a weird job shaving her head. You know what? I haven't ever done this before, so.
As long as you get all of it, that's all that matters.
Yeah, honestly.
This one long piece is cracking me up.
I'm gonna keep that one forever. I'm gonna save that one for last.
It's like a rat tail, but in the front.
In the front.
You can just use gel on it and curl it like they did in the 50s.
I really need a shower after this.
Your arm.
Look at my shoulders and my neck.
Yeah, look at the back of her neck.
I have some